There you are, Nick.
Hey, that's the smart way to go about it.
Well, you know.
I know.
I'll give it up.
I woke up this morning and I was like, you know.
Waiting for it.
You made it.
It was a nice solid pre. Well, it was a nice pre-race.
Okay, everybody ready? All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Ah, shoot. Woo! What's up, guys? Smile before it hurts, right? All right. Oh, Michael is probably a good 200 meters. Come on, Michael. Can I get some fuel?
There you go.
Can I?
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you so much. Smell for hurt. Yep. All right, Brandon. Doing good. Hang in there. You're good. Yeah, guys. Hey, guys. Good to see you. Yep, you got it, guys. Okay. We're just gonna walk up this thing. We've got quite the buffer for third. We'll let our heart rate drop. Heart rate fell off. We'll take advantage of a rest that the guys behind us can't. Guys, yeah. Oh no, it's not Sam. Oh man. Oh. Great job, man.
You left third place?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll send this to you. Great job. I'll send this to you.
You want to say one? We good.
Hey. There we go.
So all these were, I collected them out at that little beach out.